Hello Dnation and welcome back to yet another unbox and review episode. In today's episode we're going to be unboxing a 112 scale limited edition Kawasaki Z900RS diecast motorcycle, all brown variation, which is manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging, which seems to be a signature Maisto boxing, which is premium as always. This diecast motorcycle comes in a clamshell window type boxing with all the product branding and information. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we set this beauty free. And with that out of the way, and as we get this unboxed, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this open. And as always, let's first begin by taking a closer look at this amazing diecast model. Well, at first glance, this limited edition diecast model looks quite premium and has a good build quality to it, and also has quite a bit of detailing like the real life counterpart. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of ABS plastic, which makes it quite premium looking. This model measures in at 7 inches in length, 4 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in at about 130 grams. This model also comes with the Kawasaki trademark paint apps with signature branding details, and this model also has free rolling wheels, a kickstand, authentic cables and hoses, excellent suspension, and a lot more intricate details, which makes it a premium collectible which is functional as well. I'm happy that I made a choice to get this variation, as I'll be able to add it to my ever-growing 112 scale motorcycle collection. And with this model you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. So now let's place this diecast beauty on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast model in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium Kawasaki replica motorcycle. And so with that being said, let's place this diecast model on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Kawasaki Aircraft initially manufactured motorcycles under the Meguro name, having bought an ailing motorcycle manufacturer, Meguro Manufacturing, with whom they have been in partnership with. This eventually became Kawasaki Motor Sales. Some early motorcycles displayed an emblem with the Kawasaki aircraft on the fuel tank. During 1962, Kawasaki engineers were developing a 4-stroke engine for small cars. Then some of the engineers transferred to the Meguro factory to work on the Meguro K1 and the SG, which is a single-cylinder 250cc OHV. In 1963, Kawasaki and Maguro merged to form Kawasaki Motorcycles Company Limited. Kawasaki motorcycles from 1962 to 1967 used an emblem which can be described as a flag within a wing. Kawasaki's engines division, housed in a single office complex in Grand Rapids, Michigan, consolidates research and development projects for engines. And for further information on Kawasaki motorcycles, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 1/12 scale diecast motorcycle, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this Kawasaki diecast motorcycle. And I would like to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback. This is much appreciated, and kindly continue to support Dnation and stay tuned for our all new episodes coming up. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below. And stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.